Hello friends, welcome to the course Learn Ethical Hacking from Entry to Expertise. As the title says, Ethical Hacking from Entry to Expertise, we have designed the course that is suitable for absolutely beginners who have zero knowledge in cybersecurity. We help them to make their career in cybersecurity or ethical hacking. This course is also suitable for intermediate students who have prior knowledge in ethical hacking and want to enhance their skills to expertise level. This course is suitable to such intermediate level of students. Welcome to the course. My name is Kiran Tirukovala and I am your trainer for this course. I am certified in MCSA, CCNA, CCNP, CCNP-SEC, IINS, CEH, CHFI and CCSP. And I am the owner of INSECTECHS, where I conduct ethical hacking classroom training courses. I have 8+ years of dedicated teaching experience in ethical hacking and application security. So regarding this course is highly practical oriented course without neglecting the theory part. Theory is very much essential for new students who are starting their career. By learning this course, theory helps them to understand the concepts, functionality, techniques, tools, methods that we are going to learn in this course, and in the practicals you are going to learn hands-on different operating systems, tools, techniques and manual methods to conduct penetration testing, thereby you becoming a professional pen tester. This course starts with terminologies or technical jargons that are widely used in ethical hacking or IT security domain. Moving to the next module, you will learn all about ethical hacking, what ethical hacking is, what ethical hacker do, and how ethical hacking or penetration testing is conducted on floor, that is in real-time environment. What is security? What involves in security? What are the kinds of security? What are the phases of ethical hacking? So complete guide of ethical hacking. Before going to start the course, you will learn the complete guide of ethical hacking, what it is and how it is implemented on floor. Then moving to next, you are going to learn how to build up a lab. Without lab, you cannot practice your hacking sessions. So you are going to create a network of different computers on your physical computer using some softwares called hypervisors. So you will be creating a lab environment on your physical computer and you will be conducting ethical hacking attacks or pen testing attacks as a student and practice all your lab session on your network. And moving to next session, since you have now labs with different operating systems, you will be learning Windows command line tutorials and Linux command line tutorials. As a hacker, you must have really good experience or hands-on different multiple operating systems, because hacking is not related to one single operating system or one single device. With the 4 modules, that is terminologies, introduction to ethical hacking, lab setup and command line tutorials, you are now ready to learn ethical hacking course itself. Ethical hacking course is divided into 3 parts. Part 1. It's a pre-exploitation stage where you gather information and vulnerabilities of a target computer or a network itself. In this module, you are going to learn chapters like scanning, enumeration, footprinting, etc. The next part of your course is exploitation. In the exploitation section, you will learn how to conduct actual penetration testing or actual attacks to attack your target computer or a target network. Here you will apply manual methods or tools and techniques to compromise the targets, or you will break into the security of those target systems. Next comes post-exploitation. The part 1 is pre-exploitation where you gather the information. Part 2 is actual hacking or exploitation phase. Now since you have completed the exploitation section, you will learn what involves in post-exploitation phase. It means that when you have actually hacked into a computer or a target system, now you have the control of those systems. In the real-time environment, you will document and report all the findings of vulnerabilities or bugs and the exploitations that you have conducted in a safe environment. You will report it to your client. But evil hackers or cyber criminals don't do that. When they hack into a target systems, they will use the compromised computers. They will use those compromised computers as pivots or zombies. In the further sections, you will learn how to document and report it to your clients. I have few suggestions. Suggestion 1. I strongly encourage you to write whatever I am teaching to you. Writing is a very good habit. The lectures I am teaching to you is the information I am passing to you. That information must be stored in the storage devices, your brains. However, I will give you the notes in the PDF formats as a resources for each chapters and topics. Suggestion 2. I strongly encourage you to watch all the demo videos before enrolling into the course. Friends, this course is LTS long-term supported course. If you have any questions, please post in the QA section and I will reply you as soon as possible. So, without wasting much time, let's learn further modules. Have a great day.